At first look, the Liberty FT looks like any other wheelchair. But for someone with Parkinson's disease, the Liberty FT has many clinical benefits that can help with prolonged upright sitting in a wheelchair. The Liberty FT is a front pivot tilt in space wheelchair, so the knees stay at the same level. The change in rear seat slope helps to correct the downward line of sight. Gravity-assisted positioning of the head helps with secretion management and with swallowing mechanics. Because the rear seat slopes downward and the knees do not raise up, this allows both lower extremities to be placed on the floor, if needed, for better postural control for proximal stability. Gravity helps to keep the pelvis in the chair to reduce sliding. One of the greatest clinical benefits of the Liberty is the variable seat angle it provides. One angle for postural control, but a separate seat angle to facilitate transfers, whether that is an assisted transfer or an independent transfer at the angle of seat needed by the user. And lastly, the portability of the Liberty FT is unmatched.